What up, my TikTok family? What up, my YouTube family? So check it out. In another video I did not long ago, I actually bought a couple bottles of the stuff called Extreme APC, and I actually used the stuff to clean my front windshield, and it came out really nice. And now when it rains and stuff, I don't have like that nasty glare. Got a nice clean windshield, and I'm very thankful for that. But in other videos that I've seen floating around TikTok, people are using this stuff on rims. They're using it on the lifts for cars, doors, whatever has heavy grease stains or stains on it, period. And my thing is this, okay? What others may use it on, I don't know if they use other cleaner on before that or whatnot. I'm not discrediting this stuff or not, but I would rather show you guys how it works, give you my opinion on it, and if you guys trust my opinion, then maybe you can go to TikTok and buy the stuff for yourself. Because I tell you what, number one, it's not badly priced. It does work, at least on windshields. And right now we're about to check on the brakes, because I haven't washed this car in 3 weeks now, and I did that on purpose because it built up the brake dust on the rim, so we can actually see how well the stuff will actually clean the brake dust off on the rim. I know there's millions of different products in the market that will clean the rims, but we're testing this one today, and we're going to see how good this stuff works. Plus, I kind of sort of want to test it on the paint, but I'm a little leery because I don't want to take the clear coat. But we'll try the rims first. We'll see how that goes, and then we'll move on to try something different. Maybe we'll do it on the headlights. See how much dirt and shit's on the headlights. At least the housing of it or whatnot. We'll do the engine bay. We'll check the engine bay and see how it'll clean the engine bay. I'm told this stuff works very well on heavy stains and greases and stuff like that. So we're going to test it. We're going to put it to the work today. So stay tuned. We're about to get into it right now. Sorry guys, I had audio issues here, but in this part of the video, you show me spraying on the APC on the rims and a little bit on the tire. I really didn't think it was going to do much, but I got before and after pictures as well I'm going to throw in. This rim actually came out a lot cleaner than what I was expecting, as you'll see in the video, and I am absolutely excited about it. I can't wait to keep testing this APC. Like, look right there, that first wipe. Look at that. That'll show you alone. That rim came so damn clean right there. I was surprised. I did not realize that rim was that dirty, because when I took it to the car wash, it doesn't look that clean. That thing is shining right there, boy. And that black trim that's behind it, man, I'm excited about this stuff. So I'll let y'all get back to the rest of the video. I just wanted to, let you know what's going on, and I appreciate all of y'all. Alright guys, so if you watched that video that I just made, I used the Extreme APC on that rim. To be honest with you, I didn't think it was going to make that much of a difference. It did have a little brake buildup on it, but wow, I was shocked. Very shocked. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. We're still going to put this out to a test. And not only that, I actually got an email a little while ago. Well, let's just say we're going to have a sponsor coming to this channel soon. We're already talking about collaborating and stuff like that. So it's going to be very, very exciting. This company, they bring a whole new, let's just say they bring a whole new light to the detailing world. And it's pretty cool. It's my first sponsored video. So I'm very, very excited. But we're going to get into that in the next video that I make. I hope you guys had fun watching this one. Please, if you like what you see, let me know. I'm going to try to link my TikTok down below where you can buy this Extreme APC for yourself. If it doesn't work for you guys, just please let me know, and I'll figure out how to get you a link for it. But thank you for watching, and enjoy your day.